Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Justin, would you just clarify one thing?
Yeah.
So you were talking about baking the soil. That's only soil that's not purchased in a bag. Is that what you were saying? Or any soil that you use for a starter, you bake?
Well, if I've already opened a bag of soil and it's been open to the air inside of my house, my garage, or other places, there's a high likelihood that other spores have gotten into that mix. But most starting soil mixes actually have a Ziploc top. I mean, so you can actually buy them and it's in a sealed bag. And it has a Ziploc top, and it's there for a reason so that you can continue to seal that back off so we don't get any other things that might get into our soil and cause us some harm or some challenge later when we're doing our sprouts.
That's a key tip.
Yeah. And so that's key. If you buy a big bag of seed starting mix, make sure you tighten the top on it. Don't leave it open air. And we had a good example of that. We had one of our newer employees starting to work a process of sprouting stuff, and we actually had some open air packs of even the peat moss, the little peat moss plugs. They were open air in the garage for probably months. And then we got those all soaked up, and then we put the seeds in them, and 3/4 of that flat all molded out. And we looked at that and I said, yep, I guess that box, because that box was not a sealed box. It was just a kind of an open box. And so, yep, that was on us. We didn't plan ahead. We didn't go bake those plugs a little bit longer before we started the seeds.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.